For nearly a century after the Civil War, Democratic Jim Crow laws enforced racial segregation across the American South. These laws separated black and white Americans in schools, buses, restaurants, even hospitals and cemeteries. By the 1890s, every former Confederate state, plus some border states like Kentucky and Oklahoma, had codified segregation. In 1896, the Supreme Court's decision in Plessy v. Ferguson gave Jim Crow a legal green light, declaring separate but equal to be constitutional. But everything about Jim Crow was unequal. Schools for black children were underfunded, public spaces were divided, and most cruelly, black Americans were blocked from voting by poll taxes, literacy tests, and threats of violence. It took nearly 60 years to begin breaking that system, and one of the most powerful challenges came from the courts, led by Chief Justice Earl Warren. In 1954, under Warren's leadership, the Supreme Court unanimously ruled in Brown v. Board of Education that segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. That decision struck at the heart of Jim Crow. But it didn't end there. When 9 black students tried to integrate Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas in 1957, President Dwight David Eisenhower, a Republican, sent federal troops to enforce the court's order, making it clear the federal government would enforce Supreme Court civil rights rulings. Eisenhower, who had appointed Earl Warren, also signed the Civil Rights Act of 1957, the first since Reconstruction, laying groundwork for deeper reforms. Please like, subscribe, comment. Come back and see me for other constitutional stories.